Hey, okay. Your girl here. I just wanted to come right quick and do a quick tutorial about Selectys. So it's one of the biggest load board in case you don't know about box truck and uh, cargo van and stuff like that. So when you get it in, this is how you go. Where you get it, that's the home. So you go to order, manage, posted order. So you click on this. So when you get there, I have somebody asking me how do they do to just see load that they want to see. Okay, so here is, so this is the date. So if you want to see load, we're gonna see loaded out there today in Atlanta area. So, and I want to, my carrier is willing to go 150 miles there ahead. So I put there the city, Atlanta, and state. You can select multiple states. What is Georgia? Okay, Georgia, if you want. So then I like to put refresh every 2 minutes. 5 minutes is too much. And when you dispatching or you're looking for load, so you search all posting. So don't select all of those things because sometimes a broker, they don't really post load in the right area. So I don't touch none of those. I just put the radius, the city, and I do search. So that sound mean that it is a new load. Each time that you refresh and you hear the sound. So those are the loads that are in Georgia today. So how do you bid? I like to do this, select the whole thing, copy, go to my email, do a new email. Okay, new email, I put subject. So I got all the information. Then I'll go back to it, select here. Then you select, this is the email of the broker that put it out there. So I copy it and then put it this. So then here I put my bids, myself, just example. I'm not thinking, I didn't really read the whole thing really. And the type of truck, 26-foot truck with lift gate, pallet jack, Docker high. Yes, and you put MC, your MC, and you can put your number, so you send it. That's how I do the bidding. So you send it. But in case, so if you have an email that receive all the postal loads, I have one email that got there. Let me try to go to that email. If I can. Okay. All right. But from that email, you can just reply directly. But the thing is, you cannot specify what you need to get. So it will gonna send you all the email about all the load that are posted on Selectys. So I'm talking about like almost 1,000 of load a day. So you cannot select. It's either you get everything or you don't get it. Okay. So that was my quick tutorial. So if let's say you want to see load that are coming, that are picking up today and tomorrow, or up to 18. So let's do tomorrow. So you click on it. Yeah, it will show you load that can be picked up tomorrow. All of this you see it at the 17th. So this is large truck. This is the reference. This is order number. Sometimes they put, so pick up, delivery time, This is the size of the truck, and this is the mileage, and how many pound is it? All right. Okay, so that was a quick tutorial about Selectys.